The banana, a popular and nutritious fruit. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. They are easy to eat, delicious, and full of nutrients. People from all around the globe enjoy bananas as a snack, in desserts, or even in savory dishes. Not only are bananas tasty, but they also offer many health benefits. In this essay, we will explore the origin of bananas, how they grow, their nutritional value, and why they are such an important fruit in many cultures. Bananas have a long history. They are believed to have originated in Southeast Asia, particularly in the region that is now Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. From there, they spread to other parts of the world, including Africa, the Middle East, and eventually Europe and the Americas. Today, bananas are grown in tropical and subtropical regions, with countries like India, China, and the Philippines being some of the largest producers of bananas. Bananas grow on large plants that look like trees but are actually a type of herb. The banana plant is tall, with a thick stem called a pseudostem. It has large, broad leaves that can grow several feet long. Bananas grow in clusters, called hands, on the plant, and each cluster can contain several bananas. The fruit itself is long, with a smooth yellow skin when ripe, though some varieties are red, green, or even purple. One of the reasons bananas are so popular is because they are easy to grow. Banana plants thrive in warm, tropical climates with plenty of rainfall. They grow quickly, and a banana plant can produce fruit in less than a year. Once the fruit is harvested, the plant is cut down, and a new one grows in its place. This makes bananas a sustainable and efficient crop for farmers in many parts of the world. Bananas are packed with nutrition. They are a great source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for good health. One of the most important nutrients in bananas is potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, supports heart health, and aids in proper muscle function. A medium-sized banana contains around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which is about 10% of the recommended daily intake. In addition to potassium, bananas are also rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps the body heal wounds. They contain vitamin B6, which is important for brain health and metabolism. Bananas are also a good source of dietary fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps the digestive system running smoothly. One of the reasons bananas are so popular is because they are an energy-boosting fruit. They contain natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which give a quick burst of energy. This makes bananas an excellent snack for athletes or anyone who needs a quick pick-me-up during the day. The carbohydrates in bananas are also great for replenishing energy after exercise. Bananas are not just healthy, they are also very versatile. People enjoy bananas in many different ways. They can be eaten on their own, sliced into cereal or yogurt, or blended into smoothies. Bananas are also a key ingredient in many desserts, such as banana bread, banana pudding, and banana ice cream. In some cultures, bananas are used in savory dishes, such as banana curry or fried bananas. In addition to the fruit, other parts of the banana plant are useful. The large banana leaves are often used in cooking, especially in Southeast Asia and Africa. They are used to wrap food, such as rice and fish, before steaming or grilling. This not only keeps the food moist, but also adds a subtle flavor. Banana leaves are also used as plates or serving trays in some cultures. Bananas are also an important part of the global economy. Millions of people rely on banana farming for their livelihoods. The banana industry provides jobs for farmers, workers, and traders in many countries, particularly in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. However, the banana industry faces some challenges. One of the biggest issues is the spread of diseases that can harm banana plants. Farmers must find ways to protect their crops while using sustainable farming practices to ensure the long-term health of the environment. Another challenge is the effect of climate change on banana production. Bananas need a warm and stable climate to grow, and changes in weather patterns, such as droughts or excessive rainfall, can harm banana plants. As temperatures rise and weather becomes more unpredictable, farmers may struggle to produce enough bananas to meet global demand. Despite these challenges, bananas remain one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world. They are affordable, nutritious, and easy to transport, making them a staple food for millions of people. In many developing countries, bananas are a vital source of food and income. They provide essential nutrients that help prevent malnutrition, especially in areas where other food sources may be limited. In popular culture, bananas have taken on symbolic meanings. They are often associated with humor, as the image of someone slipping on a banana peel has become a classic comedy trope. Bananas also appear in art, literature, and even music. For example, the famous song Yes, We Have No Bananas from the 1920s became a popular tune in both the United States and the United Kingdom. In conclusion, bananas are much more than just a tasty fruit. They have a rich history, provide essential nutrients, and play a key role in the economy of many countries. Whether eaten as a snack, used in cooking, or enjoyed in a dessert, bananas are a beloved and valuable part of our daily lives. As we look to the future, it is important to continue finding ways to grow bananas sustainably and protect this important crop from the challenges it faces. The banana will continue to be a symbol of health, nourishment, and the joy of simple, natural food.